Hey guys, Vic from Wiseco. This is our 80s classic S15 project we're going to bring back to life with some upgraded performance, and we want you to choose what engine we shoehorn in this yellow pickup. Should it be a 400 small block? How about a Junkyard LS? Let's check out the truck and we'll show you where you can vote. In Northern California, drive shaft was laying in the bed, tranny was half out of it, a bunch of bolts in the front seat. We found a local junkyard on the east side of Cleveland that did actually have an 82 Turbo 200 trans available, and we stuck that in there and got it mobile, and realized that it needed rear brakes, it needed a center link, some brakes on the front, and as well as a mixture control solenoid that was giving up the ghost there and causing it to run poorly, but didn't even need a tune-up, honestly. The spark plugs looked good, everything else looked good. We checked all the fluids, changed the oil, got it running, threw some tires on it because those were sorely needed. But basically the scope of this truck is, we weren't sure really what we wanted to do with it. We just thought it was a really odd, rare color for an S10 in general. That wasn't a fleet vehicle, and I mean, how many are left really in that condition? Three-stage process, getting the original paint back to square one, and as you can see, it's pretty vibrant. We want to ask the Wiseco fans out there today, what drivetrain should we do? Should we do a 434 Chevy? Should we do a 5.3 junkyard motor, or should we do a proper rebuild? Should we go 4-cylinder? Should we go V6? Check out the link below in the description and cast your vote for the powertrain of your choice. We'll be announcing soon what the winner is there and our plans going forward, and we appreciate you tuning in.